Hello folks, I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I thought I was going to share putting in a 24-foot round above ground pool. Fortunately, my yard is filled with ledge, so I had to raise my pool up. So I came up with some ideas to help me level it and get the surface nice and flat. So I've got a 2x6. I recommend a 2x6. It's much more sturdy. And what I did is put my center pin in. Just happened to have an old part from a tractor. It's a pretty heavy steel bar. I sunk it in. I put, if you can see, I've got an old weight. It worked out great for spinning the board in a circle. I got a handle on here to help lift it up. So I got 2 points. I used high hooks. This board is 14 feet. I wanted it to extend out past the pool for another reason we'll get to. And I got this one set for the actual diameter to the end of the board for the pool, so I'll know where that exact line will be when I need it. I marked the board at 12 feet. There we go. And I got another handle at the end. So I would walk around the pool, grading the sand out. After I did, I wet it down. I borrowed a friend's plate compactor, and that is like solid concrete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a geotextile mat down next, and then the liner. I'm not going to bother with sand. I'm going to use foam coving, and it should come out pretty nice. But unfortunately, because of the height of the ground, I'm up a good 12-14 inches. I need to put a retaining wall in. So I found another use for this board. I put a down stake on it, and that's going to give me a way to keep my block in a nice circumference around the pool and make it look good. So that's what we're working on. And yeah, if you're putting in a pool, just take your time, do your work, make sure you're on a nice flat level surface, and things should go good for you. And it is a nice 95-degree and humid day here in New England, and I'm going to get myself to work and start laying some block down to keep that dirt where it belongs. Thanks for watching.